What are you doing now, Greg?
I'm working for anybody that's probably seen CNBC. There's two brothers, John and Pete Najarian, former CBO traders, and a company called Market Rebellion. And we do options education, looking for trades. Like we have a couple of services. One, I really like the one, it's an Iron Condor service. And we go out and find once a week, you get trade ideas, and they put out Iron Condors. We also use, John and Pete have like they call it the heat seeker, unusual options activity. So we get notified if, wait, someone just bought 5,000 upside calls in fill in the name stock. Like we see it as it happens. You know, the open interest was 7. Someone just bought 5,000 calls, you know, for a quarter. It's like, maybe we should take a look at that. So that's one of the services. Me, since I'm with the floor trader mentality, I run a thing called the Rebel Pit, and from 9 to 11, we're live. So I'm live on a webinar. Mercifully, with a face for radio, they can only hear me. They can't see me. But we're talking about what's going to happen, and then I'm scanning the markets looking for trading opportunities. Really short term, really just usually trade weeklies, and it's calls, puts, only buys, maybe call verticals if you want to kind of cap a really expensive stock. Like when NVIDIA was trading, you know, really high, we would do call verticals or put verticals and that just to mitigate risk and such. But we do that live. So we give out, you know, trading ideas. I'm looking at my screens right now. We had, I don't know, 12 or 14 stocks every day where we give triggers. And then, hey, maybe at this level, or this level, you should think about getting out. You know, you can probably think of IWM, Google, SPYs, Qs, NVIDIA, Tesla, all the regulars. And then like today, I guess I put out like, I think it was 10 trade ideas, and they don't all trigger, but it's very much of a momentum trade. What's the setup, right? What does the setup on the chart look like? And then can we find value in the options, et cetera? So I do that every day, you know, 9 to 4. And then at 4:05, don't be near this door, right? Because I'm out the door.
Okay. And now is that a subscription that you have to sign up for? Okay.
Yeah, you can go to our website, which is marketrebellion.com. And if anybody goes there, they came up with a really cool, they're going to offer anybody who's interested, you know, 15% discount, and anything we do, 30-day money back guarantee. Like you take the service for 29 days and you're like, I can't stand Greg. They just give you your money back. Like there's no dancing around there. If you use, we're going to combine them both, market and pencils, right? Pencils with a race. So market pencils 24, anybody that wants it, and they can get a discount. If you have, you know, if any questions, if you call in, say like, hey, I was listening to Greg on the podcast and, you know, I'm interested in the service, and he said we get a discount. They'll take care of you. Happy to do it. But yeah, I like it because it keeps me in the market every day. And I mean, we kid about, as a floor trader, I mean, I refer to the options that expire next Friday. I call them Greg leaps, because I go like, someone trades January. Like, why would you wait till January? You can have options that expire today or tomorrow. And I like the shorter theta, trying to catch deltas, and kind of get in and get out.
How long you been working for?
Been here over 2 years. Yeah, John and Pete really, my friends who were running the service, they wanted to do a floor service. And it's one of the big advantages we have is, besides John and Pete, we have 2 other guys who, you know, wore ugly jackets and stood on the floor. So it's not, you know, not guys who, you know, have a passion for options. You know, they read Natenberg and now they have a passion for options. We are guys who have really done it. So we kind of bring that sensibility to the opportunity. And the one thing I'm very adamant about is like, look, they're not all winners. Anyone who's telling you they're giving you 95% winners, they're lying to you, right? Because you're going to have losers. The key is don't let your loser take you out and let the winner run. That's the whole key.